The countdown is on to Donald Trump's so-called Liberation Day. In just 12 hours' time, the president will announce sweeping global tariffs on products imported to the United States.
In 2025, Donald Trump reignited a war, not with weapons, but with tariffs. Overnight, markets shook, currencies dropped, and Forex traders held their breath. This is the return of the trade war, and it might just rewrite the rules of global finance again. Welcome back to LearnFX, your source for Forex, finance, and trading strategies that actually matter. Today, we break down the 2025 Trump tariffs, who's getting hit, what it means for currencies, and how you can profit from the chaos. On April 5th, the Trump administration dropped a bombshell, a 10% blanket tariff on imports from dozens of countries, and a staggering 34% tariff on Chinese goods. The reason? National security, fentanyl, trade imbalance, take your pick. But the result is clear. China hits back with its own 34% tariff. Global trade, shaken. Investors, on edge. It's not just China. Trump's targeting Mexico, Canada, even longtime allies like Israel, all caught in the tariff crossfire. Now let's talk Forex, where every trader is asking, what's next?
And we begin with the breaking news from Wall Street. Trading has been underway now for just about 30 minutes, and nervous investors, very nervous investors, are weighing in on President Trump's historic new global tariff.
Gaining strength from risk aversion, but vulnerable to inflation fears. CNY under serious pressure, just like in the 2018 trade war. Safe havens like JPY and CHF surging as investors run to safety. Emerging markets, MXN, ZARI, getting slammed again. This isn't just politics. It's money in motion. And that's where traders make their move. Here's what smart traders are doing right now. Watching USD CNH and USD JPY for breakout opportunities. Monitoring speeches from central banks, especially the Fed and PBOC. Scaling in and out because volatility is your friend, but risk is your enemy. With Trump eyeing re-election and China holding its ground, the tariff war could get uglier, and that means more Forex volatility ahead. Will the dollar continue rising? Will China devalue the yuan? One thing's for sure, the market isn't going back to normal anytime soon. What do you think? Are these tariffs good for America, or a disaster waiting to happen? Comment below with your thoughts. Smash that like button if you found this breakdown helpful, and don't forget to subscribe. New Forex content drops every Thursday and Sunday, right here on LearnFX.